karapis sa karamdaman.
Nanay pa rin. Okay.
Lahat ka niya. Lahat na
Okay.
lang. Nanay pa rin. Get those po sila. Again, Mr. Ryan, salute. Thank you so much. Ryan, salute. May bisita mo. Eto, iba to.
A show like this, would you always be the best?
Oh, thank you, sir. Maraming maraming. Maraming salamat. At salamat sa bigay sa akin. Thank you so much. And of course, yan, Mr. Gabi. Concepcion, Gab!
Really, thank you for the invitation. Miss Pitkin, congratulations sa inyong lahat. I'd like to say happy birthday to my 1-year-old daughter,
Wow. Her name is?
Samantha.
Samantha, hello! Happy birthday! Wow! Siya yung bata. Gwapo ng dati. Gabi, ang gwapo mo. Ha?
Pare, bumabawi ka.
Ito. Gabi, kung mo na inisa ko, dito yung sa'yo.
Thank you, may babatiin niya.
Ang bait eh. Ang bait ni Gabi, di ba? Isang tawag mo lang. At kung tawag ka, baka lang dumating eh, no? Hindi kayo grand final. Again, ladies and gentlemen, my good friend, Gabi Concepcion.
Thank you so much, Wallawi, for inviting me here. I had so much fun. Also, thank you for Mr. Pinoy. All over the world watch you. I think you're one of the best shows.
May puso ka. Miss Margie Miranda, ma'am.
Thank you really for inviting me here. It's really truly an experience to be here in the show. I'd like to make to greet
And of course, Miss Gloria Diaz. Miss Universe.
Yes, I'd like to thank, of course, very important, Beverly Hills 6750. Kung gusto niyong manalo. At kung gusto niyong magpaganda, pumunta kayo sa Regine Salon and go to Sata. And of course, thank you so much, really, for inviting me. Miss M, ang galing-galing mo pa rin. Mr. M. Mr. M, ang galing-galing mo. Good partnership with me.
Oh, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Ano namin, makasama Miss Gloria Diaz. Thank you so much, Miss Gloria Diaz. Again, ladies and gentlemen, our judges. Wow, palapakan po natin siya. Thank you so much.
Kasi yan, hindi pinakalaman yung bakla.
Siyempre.